Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm coming back in the second video. Unfortunately, as I learned from the previous video, I am not able to show you two screens at the same time, like as I usually divide uh, my screen into two parts, and I'm showing you like the document on one side and the exercise on another. So, unfortunately, it is not possible. So I will be posting pictures here inside Google Docs. So in the previous class, we learned the pattern, how to explain. Oh, we need to remove this highlight. None, right? Something is something that we can use to. So in this class, we are gonna learn something very similar, but now there is the pattern for explaining places when we want to talk about different places. So this is the topic for today. When you talk about places, um, yeah, you tell the name of the place. So you say the name of the place, and then and then you say that it's a place. It is a place where. It's a place where. This is what you use. Now, please note, it's not the where as a question where. Like, where are you going? Where did you go? Where is my phone? Yeah, it's an indicator of what the information about the place. Is a place where, and then you say what is there. Right? Okay, you will understand it with the example. So, for example, like home. Home. What is a home? Home is a place. Home is a place, 장소, yeah? Home is a place where you can rest, you can relax and sleep, right? Or you can say relax, sleep, and enjoy your time. Home is a place, so this is your pattern. Home is a place where you can relax, oops, I need to highlight it. Relax, sleep, and enjoy your time. So these are different places, and I'm just gonna make several examples, and the rest you can practice yourself. So let's say a school. What is a school? A school is a place where you can. It's a place where you can study different subjects. And then if you want to expand more, you say 예를 들어, such as. Yeah, you give your example. Such as what? Such as math, such as Korean, such as English, such as 지리학, geography. I'm not sure if you study this. Maybe you study science, and of course your favorite subject, PE, which stands for physical education. Education. Yeah? Right. So okay, is a place. Yeah, I skipped. All right. So this is your pattern. Momo is a place where a school is a place where you can study different subjects such as you can. Now also keep in mind you can change this you can. You can say instead of you can say we can, or you can say people can, or in case of school you can say students can. It doesn't have to be always you, right? But yeah, remember just this one, and then you will be able to use it. Is a place where you can do something. Okay, let's go with another example. Let's say library. A library. A library is a place where you can. What do you do in library? Very easy, right? People read books. Well, let's change this. You can, let's say people, where people can read books, find magazines. What else can they do? And study. Yeah. Oh, we always use study. Use free Wi-Fi. How about that? A library is a place where people can. This is your modified kind of new pattern. A library is a place where people can do what? 1. Read books. 2. Find magazines. 3. Use free Wi-Fi. So your sentence becoming bigger and bigger as you put more things in it. All right? Let's go with another example. Park. In the same way. A park. What is a park? A park is a place where people can... What can you do in the park? Play basketball, walk, eat ice cream, and enjoy nice weather. So you give a list of 4 different things. First, play basketball. 2, walk. 3, eat ice cream. And 4, enjoy nice weather. So a park is a place where people can play basketball, walk, eat ice cream, and enjoy nice weather. Alright? So in a similar way, you can explain every place, right? And you can use, try to use harder vocabulary. What is a church, for example? A church. So something like, what do we do in church? Kyohei. Church is kyohei, right? Hidehara. Hidehara is to pray, right? Oh, sorry. Hidehara is expect. Let me check. Pray. Kidohara. Okay, I'm sorry. My Korean is not so good. Kidohara. Kidohara is to pray. Yeah. So a church is a place where people can pray and talk to God. Yeah. Which is basically same thing, praying and talking to God. All right. So yeah, this is your homework. Please sit down and try to explain different places. Think what people do inside this place and think how to use this pattern. So a restaurant is a place where you can have dinner, meet friends, drink some wine, but don't drink. Drinking is bad. Zoo is a place where you can see different animals, and then again use your pattern, such as lions, zebras, and other things. Hospital. A hospital is a place where you can get medical treatment, for example. Okay, so I'm gonna take this picture, copy it here, and make you a couple more. Now I'm gonna just speak. So now you practice your speaking with your writing, right? So I'm gonna use dictation. So let's say, as I said, a restaurant is a place where you can enjoy your food and order some tasty juice. Here you go. All right. Okay, another one. Zoo. A zoo is a place where you can see different animals such as giraffes, lions, tigers, and monkeys. All right. Okay, there are some mistakes here. It's not perfect, but it is faster. A zoo. A zoo is a place. All right. Okay. What else? Bus stop. Bus stop. A bus stop is a place where people usually stand and wait for their buses. Yeah, and this is it. This is how easy it is. Police station. A police station is a place where police officers work. So now notice this, right? I don't always use you, right? You can use different nouns and explain what people do there. So in the same way, like hospitals, you can say something like, a hospital is a place where doctors work. Yeah, but in the same way, you can, a hospital. In the same way, you can explain what you do there. A hospital is a place where you can get medical treatment. All right, something like this. A hospital. So, yeah, this is it. This video is already too long, 10 minutes. So please study, please practice different sentences with your places, and I'll see you in the next one.